Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 76 single player. Many players enjoy the vast Appalachian wasteland on their own terms. While it's an online game, you can absolutely tackle all story content and explore extensively without a team. We'll cover how to set up your solo adventure, manage resources, and thrive independently. Get ready to discover the secrets of West Virginia at your own pace, enjoying every moment of your personal journey. For a truly isolated experience, consider a private world. These are available to Fallout First subscribers and offer a dedicated server just for you or a small group of invited friends. You'll find less competition for resources and workshops, making base building and resource gathering much more efficient. It's an excellent way to explore, build, and complete quests without any external interference, providing a peaceful and personalized adventure. Even in public worlds, solo play is entirely viable. Focus on a build that supports independence, like a stealth sniper or a heavy weapons user in power armor. Prioritize perks that boost your damage, defense, and resourcefulness. You can still participate in public events, but choose wisely and stick to the edges if you prefer less direct combat. Remember, you can always fast travel away from trouble, maintaining your solo journey. To maximize your solo success, always be prepared. Keep a good supply of healing items and ammunition. Building your C.A.M.P. strategically near quest areas or valuable resources saves time and effort. Scavenge every piece of junk you find, as it's vital for crafting and repairing your gear. Consider joining a casual public team for passive experience and stat buffs. You don't have to interact, just enjoy the benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.